All right, so today I'm going to install this pneumatic door closer. As you can see here, the one that is there, it's not existent. It's not there. So first thing you want to do is you want to install this bracket. So you want to install it just exactly kind of how I have it. I'm just going to say it's facing the door. Make sure it's very, very important that it's facing that way. That's going to play a critical role. So I'm showing you the 2 screws that it actually comes with. So keep in mind, these aren't all the same screws. It's going to come with 6 screws. 4 screws are long, 2 screws are short. Here's also the piece that goes on the door. I'm going to kind of fumble with it a little bit, but as you can see here, as I finally get it to go, apologize, I'm recording with one hand and trying to do something else with the other, but it fits on there pretty snug. You want to make sure that it kind of hugs the door closer. Just kind of exactly how I have it. So the 2 screws, I already screwed in the bracket right there. That's already screwed in to essentially the door. And now I'm actually going to show you. So this is the old bracket. It's pretty much the exact same bracket. I decided to change it just because I wanted the colors to match up. It's up to you. I'm definitely a big proponent of making less work for yourself, but for this particular I wanted to switch it. So as you can see, I'm trying to use the same screw holes as there was before. So all I do is just put the 2 screws in. Again, those are the short screws that I put in there. So as you can see here, I'm actually it's not where I want it to be. It's not going to line up. So if I try to put the pin in there, it's not going to fit. So I'm going to have to make a tiny adjustment. Now the nice thing when you adjust these things is you don't actually have to take both those screws out. You can kind of just partially take them out, and then you can adjust it that way. But here's me fitting the pin in. Just want to make sure that that pin goes in snug all the way. So it's kind of a dry run. Here I have it lined up, all 3 holes, and boom, that pin fits in there just pretty snug, just like that. So, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's not too hard to do this, but I wanted to just kind of do a video to kind of help out. But and here's me showing you how it closes. As over time, it's going to close definitely a lot faster. But that is it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe for more videos.